Hello home bakers, let me show you a easy way of colouring a large amount of fondant. So for example, fondant that you want to colour to use to cover a cake. First of all, always start with fondant that has been properly kneaded so that it's really soft and pliable. So you see, initially I am working the fondant out and then now I'm bringing it in. So you can see that the center is better colored. So I bring all the edges which are still white into the middle, and that's a very easy way to really work the color into your fondant without running the risk of over kneading your fondant. So bring it from the outside and knead towards the center, and you keep doing this until the fondant is well and nicely covered. And then once you get to that stage, then your fondant is ready to be used. I hope you found this video useful. I have lots of other cake decorating videos with tips and tricks to help you improve your baking. So please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you and happy baking. Bye bye.